I have such a bias. You know, I hate gift cards. Look at all the problems people are having with gift cards. Retailers going out of business, restaurants going out of business. And I've always said, don't give a gift card. When you're giving a gift, give cash. So for the graduates this spring, for any special occasion, birthday, you don't know what to give somebody, give them cash. But a lot of people think cash is crass. So we have a way to make cash look cool. Money origami. So this way, you're able to give somebody something that did involve personal thought, something that's cute, and you see, this is only a $1 origami. But if you want to splurge more, you can do it with a 5, you can do it with a 10, you can do it with a 20, or multiple bills. And we have right here things that show you how to make beautiful designs doing money origami. And Beth is here with me and going to show us how to do it because I have no art side to me at all. See, I would just take it and say, okay, here it is.
Right, it's folded up.
And you would say?
I would say we need to make a little simple heart out of it. All you have to do is Google money origami and you can find a whole variety of things. You can make a little t-shirt, you could even make a ring out of it. But today we're just going to do a little simple heart because it's one of the easier ones.
Well, before you go forward, I need to tell you, there's a lot of steps here.
It's a few steps.
So you got to really be excited about your love for the person you're giving a gift to. So I'm going to set a stopwatch. How about that?
All right,
and time
let's do
you.
it.
How do I do that? Oh, here's my
You're
phone.
the one with 2 watches.
That doesn't mean I know how to operate my 2 watches. Okay. So here we go, getting ready to start the stopwatch.
All right.
Have you finished it yet?
Have I finished the origami?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't start the stopwatch.
On your mark.
All right.
Get set. Go.
All right. So the first thing we're going to do is just fold the dollar bill.
Should I be doing this at the same time?
Sure, yeah.
So fold it in half this
So, yeah,
way.
just fold it in half both ways and then unfold it so you get both of the creases.
Like that too?
Both ways and then completely unfold it. All right,
Okay.
now you're going to fold the bottom up into the center so that you have a little quarter fold. All right. You're going to keep that quarter fold and then you're going to fold diagonally from the center so that you want the 2 edges in the center to look like that. So that is
Okay, mine doesn't quite look like yours.
That's all right.
Mine is a
Close.
defective factory second $10 bill now.
Yours is discounted then.
Yes.
All right, so you're gonna flip it over so you can see the creases. All right, and then you're going to fold the sides into the center. We need to do more of like an 1/8 fold so that we have that. So we have this.
Isn't this good enough now to give
looks like
somebody?
a little paper airplane almost.
Yeah.
Just
I can't
fly it
stop
on in.
yet here?
No, we gotta keep going. We gotta make the heart.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna fold this top part down.
How did you learn all this?
Via
On
these
Google?
Pictures. Yep. All you gotta do is Google it. All right, so we're gonna fold this little top part down. We're gonna
Okay.
fold both halves. So now, oh, it's almost a heart. It's almost a heart. We have one more step. All right, so then last thing you gotta do is just fold these little edges down.
Like that?
Uh-huh. All right.
Oh, and then do this way, and then it looks like a heart?
Right, so it won't look like a heart from the side that you folded it. It's gonna look a little janky a little bit.
Janky?
Janky.
Is that a word I should know? Janky. What's janky mean?
Janky is a little off. Like it's your factory second kind of deal.
Here's my factory second heart. Did I finish?
You did finish. We both finished, and now we
Let's
have.
see yours.
I don't know if mine is any better than yours.
No, I think yours looks a little better, but mine is actually better because mine's a 10 and yours is a 5.
He
But-
wins.
But this is a really good idea because this whole thing that's been a block for people all through the years, that cash somehow is not okay, but giving somebody a piece of worthless plastic from a failing retailer or restaurant somehow is good. Cash is king because cash can be spent anywhere, and that's why if Origami gets it done for you, where you get past that hurdle of feeling like you're being cold and uncaring. Look at all the work that went into doing my defective heart.
It really came from the heart.
Ooh, that's cute. What, are you going to write greetings cards
I think I
things
might.
now?
I think I have a new career.
Okay.
All right.